Welcome to Best Quality. Ten Best Mini Split Air Conditioner. We are going to check out top 10 best mini split air conditioner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this mini split air conditioner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below.
Top 10.
Daikin 24,000 BTU 19 SEER wall-mounted ductless mini split, a /C heat pump system with Maxwell 15 feet installation kit, 24,000 BTU_19 SEER. New Daikin 19 SEER series offers an exceptional 12-year manufacturer warranty, the best in the industry. Heat & Cool is one of the largest Daikin online authorized distributors. We provide free technical support and process Daikin warranty by our in-house experts for all your needs. Efficiency ratings: 19 SEER, 9 HSPF, 12.2 EER. This Daikin 24,000 BTU comes with titanium
Top 9.
A Pooter 12,000 BTU mini split air conditioner ductless inverter system, 16.5 SEER with heat pump 110 V1 ton with installation kit. Inverter technology, energy efficient, 12,000 BTU, 16.5 SEER, 115 V/60 Hz, 9.4 HSPF, cooling and heating up to 550 square feet, RE certified and UL certified. Includes about 11 F.
Top 8.
ROVSUN 9000 BTU mini split AC/heating system with Inverter, 20 SEER 115 V energy saving ductless split system air conditioner with pre-charged condenser, heat pump, remote control and installation kit. Fast cooling. 9000 BTU mini split air conditioner with inverter technology is perfect for cooling a room up to 450 square feet. Quickly cools down your rooms and spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, dens, offices, or apartment. Energy saving. This 20 SEER 115 V.
Top 7.
Cooper & Hunter 12,000 BTU, 230 V. 19 SEER 1 ton ductless mini split AC/heating system pre-charged inverter heat pump with 16 feet installation kit. Cooper & Hunter Mia Series 12,000 BTU, 230 V. 19 SEER 1 ton ductless mini split AC/heating system Wi-Fi pre-charged inverter heat pump with 16 feet installation kit Wi-Fi ready. Additional USB adapter is required but not included. Pre-charge.
Top 6.
Pioneer Diamante Series Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner Inverter Heat Pump Full Set with 16 EFT. Kit. High Efficiency Diamante Ductless Mini Split Inverter Heat Pump System. Used for both cooling and heating. 12,000 BTU/hour with 20 SEER and 10
Top 5.
DLLA 12,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner ductless inverter system, 17 SEER 115 V energy efficient unit, YE/1 ton heat pump, cools up to 550 skip. EFT Black Series. ENA-RG efficient cooling. This 12,000 BTU/17 SEER 115 V 9 HSPF, RE certified pre-charged air conditioner unit, features a ductless mini split inverter plus system with a heat pump and dehumidification. Automatic SIA stem. This air conditioner is designed with several smart settings that make it easy to use. Auto defrost.
Top 4.
Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump, 9000 BTU 19 SEER 110/120 V. 4-in-1 mini split air conditioner with heat pump, built-in air conditioning, heating, up to 5 F/-15 C, dehumidifier, fan, and turbo function. Great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms, garages, and commercial applications. Can be installed.
Top 3.
Cooper & Hunter 18,000 BTU Dual 2-Zone 12,000 plus 12,000 BTU Wall Mount Ductless Mini Split AC/Heating System. Pre-charged 21.3 SEER, including 25 FT copper line set and communication wires. Cooper & Hunter Sophia Series 18,000 BTU Multi-Zone Outdoor Condenser 21.3 SEER, 230 V, with 2 wall mount air handlers, 12,000 BTU plus 12,000 BTU, and 25 FT installation kit for each handler. Wi-Fi ready, additional adapter required, but not included. ETL Intertech.
Top 2.
DELL 9000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heater Ductless Inverter System, 20 SEER. 8 HSPF Energy Efficient Unit with 1-ton heat pump, pre-charged condenser, cools up to 450 SKU. EFT, full installation 16.4 feet kit included. Energy Efficient Cooling. This 9000 BTU/20 SEER, 115 V, 8 HSPF, ARI certified pre-charged air conditioner and heater unit features a ductless mini split inverter.
Top 1.
Cooper & Hunter 18,000 BTU Concealed Slim Duct Mini Split AC/Heating System, built-in water pump, pre-charged, including 25 feet installation kit, remote and wall thermostat. Uses 208 230 V, ETL Intertech approved, ARI certified. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to -13 deg. 4-in-1 system featuring cooling, heating, dehumidification, and fan. Whisper technology for quiet operation. Like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.